മഴയിലും വെയിലും yellow sunflower. It is called a happy flower. Let us see a sunflower. Let us see the lovely rose, red, pink, white, yellow rose. Soft are the petals of the rose. Let us smell the lovely rose. green vegetables like spinach and beans. We have root vegetables, carrot, beetroot and potato. We have leafy vegetables that make us strong. We also vegetables like tomato, brinjal and capsicum. Every vegetable is special and good for us. Eating colorful vegetables makes our body strong. Let us eat all types of vegetables. Vegetables are very important for children like us. They help us grow tall and small. Carrots make our eyes sharp. Spinach make our muscles strong. Tomatoes keep our skin healthy. Cabbage and beans keep our stomach happy. If we eat vegetables every day, we will not fall sick easily. So eat us, make vegetables our best friend. Thank you. For listening to us, vegetables help us stay strong. Fruits keep us energy. Fruits keep us healthy and active. Flowers make our life bright and joyful. Let us love nature and take care of plants. Let us eat healthy food and grow happily. Thank you. Our UKG friends are ready with a group dance. Let us welcome them with a big applause.
ತಂಗ್ಯವ್ವ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಯಾಳೆ ಅಂತ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಕೆರೆಯ 12 ತೂಗೋ ಮಗುಗ್ಯಾದ 12 ತೂಗೋ ಮಗುಗಾದ ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಗಂಗವ್ವ ಸುರಿದು ಬರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾಯದಂತ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಣ್ಣ ಮರುಗಾದ ಕೆರೆಗೆ चढ़ाया तेरी वतन कस्तर हुआ नी ओरोनी होगी सुधी सैयो ना दिलो बड़ा नी ओरोनी होगी सुधी सैयो ना दिलो बड़ा मायतना मळे बकन्ना मरुनाद तेरेगे मायतना मळे बकन्ना मरुनाद तेरेगे
Principal for the sheep to address the gathering. His words motivate us and make us better every day. Let us welcome him. A big round of applause.
Senator, beloved sister, all the teachers of Depaul Kindergarten. Hi, good morning. Love to see you all. So it is a beautiful day and it is a very natural fiesta. So I am not that effective in communicating with children. So I thought making a few words of courtesy and a few words of appreciation to all the staff here. Our beautiful teachers of kindergarten and sister who is doing a lot of work in organizing this program. I appreciate the effort you have put behind this. So great appreciation to all the teachers. Children, let us give a loud clap to everyone. Can you? Louder. This clap goes to our teachers for the beautiful effort. So to speak something about the program, I find very hard to find words, but maybe to show the. I felt the program as supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. The program is very good, so I appreciate all the teachers. Thank you so much for having me here, and also the fathers. So thank you, sister, so much. Thank you. Wish you all a beautiful day, and let us all now love nature and grow along with nature. Thank you so much.
Now our LKG friends are ready. It's a beautiful fruit dance. Let us all welcome our cute fruit friends with a big clap.
കണ്ണെടുക്കും പായവിട്ടൊരു വാഴപ്പഴം മധുരം നിറയും കുഞ്ഞേ മുങ്ങി മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ സാറുള്ളൊരു വയറും നിറയെ എത്ര നല്ലത് ചുവന്ന പാവാടയിട്ടൊരു സ്ട്രോബെറി ചെറിയ വിത്തുകൾ ഉണ്ടത് നീങ്ങി പുളിയും മധുരം ഒത്തുചേർന്നത് തേനെല്ലാം അമർത്തിനിട് फुसलाने से फिर खिल गई कुछ ऐसा ही अब महसूस दिल को हो रहा है बरसों के पुराने जख्म पे मरहम लगा सा है कुछ ऐसा है इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा इसे छू लो जरा
truly made today special. With everyone's support, our nature fiesta became colorful and joyful. We are happy to end our program with love and smiles. Thank you. For your love, support and engagement. Have a wonderful day. Happy Nature Fiesta.
Opportunity to congratulate, appreciate and thank Reverend Sister Blessy for her hard work and for her commitment. See, this is preparing the students and making all this is very difficult. So once again, sister, thank you very much for your contribution and for your hard work. And also I take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who worked behind this program to make it a very true success. So you were preparing the students, you were arranging them, and you were also working very hard. So once again, all the dear teachers, thank you very much for your hard work and patience and for your all good works. And a very special appreciation and congratulations to all the students who performed today wonderfully. And also we thank sincerely, we thank our parents also who decorate, who their children, yeah, they made them ready and with the different colors of costumes, they made them ready and set. So we sincerely thank our parents and also our wonderful students who were watching and enjoying the program. So once again, thanking you all, wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you.